Hi guys, how are you doing today? How to assess helicopter ownership cost? Thinking of owning a helicopter. Here's how to assess the total cost of ownership smartly. Purchase price, new or pre owned helicopter cost. Insurance, coverage for damage, liability, and passengers. Fuel and maintenance, regular inspections, parts and repairs. Crew salaries, pilots, engineers, and training costs. Storage and hangar fees, safe parking, and security expenses. Depreciation, value loss over time. Regulatory compliance, certifications, licenses, and airworthiness inspections. Always plan ahead. Hidden costs can fly higher than expected. Thank you, guys.